Hi. As we know, there has been billions of users of social media all across the globe. So there has been a lot of implications of the use of social media. And social media has been a utility resource for now, and it has been an important source of communication, identification and pattern for a lot of individuals, which includes youth in our society. So the most important thing which is relevant is that connection which social media makes for us. Connection in the sense connection with our family members, with our friends, with our exes, with our colleagues, everyone. So social media makes an impact in that way. We are aware that who are we connecting to, who we are talking to, and how we are connecting at the whole. Then the most important thing about social media comes in the way how it connects people of the same hobbies, same interests together. We also know about dating apps, which is also a part of social media, which helps people communicate with each other, talk to each other, and also have a good contact with each other. So we cannot forget the whole identification that social media makes with people, and the identification people also makes with social media. And how we can also understand the news which spreads fast because of social media. One news which can be made it can be made viral because of social media and platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and more so Instagram. People are also making hobbies out of this whole social media. They are doing reels, they are doing videos, they are trying to portray their talents. These are the few implications which are very important, I feel, is a very important thing for social media. Now coming to another portion is the disadvantage of social media. So we can also understand disadvantage by cyberbullying, cybercrime, death threats. There are a lot of things that happens because of social media. The more we are coming close to the world, the more it is becoming dangerous and risky. So using social media in a very judgmental way, in a very measured way, is a very important thing. We have also need to identify how mental health disorders and distress can happen if we use social media in a very bad way. We keep on watching videos, we keep on wasting our time. That is not the way we should be using social media. We should be using social media in a very judged, in a slow, and in a way which shouldn't harm us in the long run. So we have to remember that some things which has disadvantages will also have a lot of disadvantages.
Hello everyone, my name is Anushna Mukherjee and currently I am pursuing my bachelor's degree in political science from Jadavpur University. So speaking of social media, in this era of advanced science and technology, social media plays a crucial role in influencing each of our lives. Social media has become the prime deciding factor in influencing our day-to-day activities. Social media provides us the platform in order to stay connected with our friends, families, relatives, with whom we can share our daily updates to various social media applications. Social media has also provided us the opportunity to stay informed about the day-to-day events which are taking place in our society in a national as well as international level. Social media has also provided several advantages to our students. For example, we are able to access various academic documents, journals, articles through various social networking sites, and also we are able to enhance our knowledge through this. Social media platform also provides opportunity to small businessmen as well as the business-minded people who are unable to physically go and sell their products. It has provided an opportunity to all those persons to encourage transactions between customers and the businessmen so that they are able to earn during this pandemic situation as well. As we know that the economy of across the globe is facing several losses due to various economic crises. So in this situation, we must encourage the small businesses so that they are able to earn through the social media platforms. Social media has also transcended national borders because social media does not restrict person from any geographical boundaries, and it provides the opportunity to unite with the people with like-minded cultures, desires, their likings, dislikings, with the person who shared the same taste in music, dance, theaters, etc. So social media provides a platform to stay connected with all those people at a global level who share common and shared interests. However, apart from the various advantages, there are several demerits with social media holds with it. Several times we get to know that students and also middle-aged people face severe anxiety, depression problems because of social media platforms, because it is a public platforms in which everything remains public. So we must be very aware while sharing certain personal information in all the social media platforms whatsoever. So as we all know that everything under the sun comes with its merits and demerits, it is important for all of us to have a critical insight to all the social media platforms to which we have access. So it is important for all of us to properly understand and then use a particular social media application. And during this pandemic situation, it is very important for all of us to access these social media applications in a judicial and wise manner.
Social media is a tool which is becoming quite popular these days due to its user-friendly features. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp and more helps people to remain connected with each other. In other words, the whole wide world is just at our fingertips, where the most dominant users are the youth. I am Shomita Shoor, and I would like to share how social media molds a person's life. Just like a coin has two sides, similarly, social media also has its advantages and disadvantages. If we look into the positive aspects of social media, we find that there are several numerous advantages. One of the most important advantages is that it acts as an educational device. Students can learn new things and can gain or increase their knowledge with just a click of a button. Moreover, live lectures are now possible due to social media. One can attend a live lecture which is happening in America just by sitting in India. It also helps to be more connected with the loved ones. Distance is no longer a barrier. Also, new budding artists can showcase their talents on social media. Companies can also benefit from social media platforms where they can advertise their products and gain more and more customers. Despite having all these unique advantages, social media is also a very harmful element in this society, because children can be children can become prey to hackers and predators. It also leads to online bullying. Fake news and rumors spread like forest fire, and it can act as a poison to the peace-loving citizens. Also, like all other things, social media has its pros and cons, but ultimately it all depends upon the user. So everything which is used excessively is harmful. So youths should maintain a balance between their academic life, their physical activities and social media, so that it does not turn into an addiction which can affect everything, their social life, their academic performances. Hence, youth should strive to live happily and a satisfied life with the right amount of balance.
Hi everyone, this is me Neha, and currently I am pursuing my BSc in Behavioral Science and Applied Psychology from NSHM Knowledge Campus, Kolkata. Well, today I am here to share my views about social media and my personal experiences with it. I'm very much excited to share these views and my opinions with you all. So let's start with this. My introduction to social media comes just after my school board examinations. So back then it took me a lot to figure out that what social media is all about. I used to think that it is only about sharing pictures or videos and tagging friends, but over the past couple of years I got to know and I got to learn a lot about social media, and especially during this whole pandemic situation. If we look at the positive aspect of social media, we will find numerous advantages of it. Personally, I have feel that being a makeup artist, like apart from my studies, I also love makeup. So sometimes when I am working at my own studio, I create makeup looks and I post that video or the particular reels. I make reels or I make some video out of my work and I post it on Instagram and Facebook, and I have personally seen that I get a lot of opportunity to promote my work. So that is something really wonderful. Even I have friends who are having their small businesses and they are budding artists. They are really very creative, so they are posting their craft work and their own work which they are making, and they are posting it on Instagram and other several other social media platforms, and that is something very great. Like, they are creating something out of their own talent, and social media is the one who is helping such budding artists to promote their work to the customers, and that is something really good about social media. And apart from this, we all know that social media is a platform where we can keep ourselves updated. We will get some current news and we will get to know some really good insightful session on which are available on social media, and that will provide us with some knowledge, and that is also something good, because these days, as per I know, that majority of us are so much active on social media that hardly we get time to read newspaper. But I think social media is a platform where we kind of keep ourselves updated with some current news. So that is also like a really great thing about social media, which I personally like. And apart from this, I think we all know that it helps us to keep ourselves connect with our close one who are living out of our country or who is living far from us. So basically, even I have my friends staying abroad, and due to social media I keep myself connected with them. So that is something really great about social media, and this is the reason why I love social media. And also, I know friends who really don't, I mean, they are not that active on social media, and that is the reason why they're not that much fond of social media. So that is like coin have two sides. So it's like individuals are different, opinions might differ. So that is the thing. There are people who might not like social media, but there are people like me who will definitely like social media. So that was my views, that yes, I get to promote my work, I keep myself connected with my close ones through social media. Also, I keep myself updated with some news and some good live sessions on social media. So that is something I like about social media. But there are people who maybe they are not that fond of social media, but that is also fine, because this is a debatable topic. I think that some might like, some say no, there are certain disadvantages. So that is the reason why they might not like. So that is absolutely fine. But if we say that from the perspective of some small business owners, they are having some really good opportunities over here, because social media is a platform which helps us to like showcase our talent, and that is something really good about it. So this is the opinion I want to give everyone, that if you are on social media, then please support such type of small business owners also, because that is a place where they are getting themselves to keep updated, and they are keeping their customers updated about their work, their creativity. So that is something really great about social media. So thank you everyone, and I think everyone has their own view, so please share it with us. Thank you.